Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to compare homes and properties that you have added to the saved homes section on the Zillow application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should go to your home page and then click on this saved homes button down below, which is the third option. Here you can see your saved properties. Now if you would like to compare them, tap on the compare button that you can find in the upper right corner of the screen. Select the homes by tapping on this circle in the upper right corner of each of the boxes and then click on the compare button down below. So here you can see an overview, a comparison of the homes. Here you can see a very detailed chart or table including the status, price, the estimated monthly cost, the price, bedrooms, number of bathrooms, square feet, home type, property condition, and so on. If you would like to narrow it down, you can go to the interior section, property, financial, community, and so on. Other options can be checked out as well in this table. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.